Hello. Today I will show you where are glow plugs located and how to change it. First you have to remove this engine cover. Easy. Don't let your glow plugs fail on those winter days, because your engine will have problem to start. Just a second. So where glow plugs on this engine? As you know, the glow plugs are located near injectors. So injectors are here, and glow plugs are here. As you see, they have those electric wires, so they are connected with wires. What you have to do to remove them? First you have to remove those connectors. Take it, if you can't remove it with the fingers, use some tool and gently pull out those electric contacts. Don't be afraid, you will not break anything, just gently pull it out. My glow plugs are okay, so because it's winter days, I just want to show you, if you can't start your engine, or if engine starts hard and have low idle, probably your glow plugs are bad. So how to change it? First remove this cap and then use deep key 12 and unscrew it from engine body. But please be careful. If you can't easy unscrew it, better way is to go to your mechanic or to professional to avoid the glow plug to be broken on engine. That is the problem. So when you finish the job, if you want to remove next time glow plug easy, put some ceramic oil on it, so it will remove next time easy. And remember to remove glow plug when engine is warm. It will be easier to remove it. How to test glow plug? When you remove the glow plug, simply use the ohmmeter and measure it, and you will see if it is okay. You measure some resistance. If it's not okay, the resistance will stay on 1. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. See you next time.